eyes back and forth to south and north, not see the doors. My mind is close to be dead in my way. It's done, we all get what we gave. I lay on the ground and count what I found in my previous lives. My body's not only mine, whether I'm standing next time down to the earth, need the rebirth. I need a sign I'm deserving this. Flying away, I have a debt to pay. Wait for me, coming back. My Lord, I am letting you know. I am letting you know. We had a great time. My Lord, I am letting you go. I am letting you go. Dead or alive, we're afraid of suspense. Hear the line and hear the last dance. We call for supreme, we count on him, but what does it mean? Don't know. Is it weakness or strength? So does it make any sense? I don't know the truth, it makes me confused, and nothing is soothing